How often do I need to replace the battery in my carbon monoxide detector?
Hello everyone. In today's video, we will be discussing a very important topic, the frequency with which you should replace the battery in your carbon monoxide detector. This device is a crucial safety tool in our homes, and its proper functioning can make all the difference. Ensuring the battery is up to date is crucial to keep it in optimal working condition.
What is a carbon monoxide detector?
A carbon monoxide detector is a device that detects the presence of the carbon monoxide (CO) gas to prevent carbon monoxide poisoning. CO is a colorless, odorless, and tasteless gas that is toxic to humans and animals in high concentrations. Without a functioning detector, it would be almost impossible to know if this deadly gas is building up in your living environment.
How often should I replace the batteries?
In general, it is recommended that you replace the batteries in your carbon monoxide detector at least once a year. However, this can vary depending on the type and model of your detector. Some models have a built-in battery that can last up to 10 years. But for those models that require battery replacements, a good rule of thumb is to change them whenever you adjust your clocks for daylight saving time. This way, it becomes a routine task that's easy to remember.
What are the signs that my battery needs replacing?
Your carbon monoxide detector will usually emit a specific beeping or chirping noise to alert you when the battery is low and needs to be replaced. This sound is different from the alarm sound that it makes when it detects carbon monoxide. It's important not to ignore this noise, as it is your first sign that the battery is low. Once you hear it, make sure to replace the batteries as soon as possible. That's all for this video. Remember, staying safe from carbon monoxide poisoning starts with a properly functioning detector, and a key part of that is making sure your device's batteries are always in good condition. We hope this video was informative and helped answer your questions about when and how often to replace your carbon monoxide detector's battery. Thanks for watching and stay safe.